Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to take you along with me while I went into Dollar General. That's a store that I don't go into very often. Our Dollar General just opened up a couple months ago, so they're still stocking up, but I went in looking for some tobacco baskets with lemons on them. Somebody on YouTube showed that Dollar General had these off-white tobacco baskets with lemons painted up on the middle of them. So I was particularly looking for that. At least I thought they said Dollar General. I'll have to find out who it was on YouTube that said that. Or it could have been Family Dollar. Anyway, I was pleasantly surprised to see that our Dollar General had a lot of farmhouse decor. I mean, I can't say a lot, but I'll say for the size of this store, there was a generous amount of farmhouse decor, wall art and hangings, pictures of sheep and pigs and cows. And I'm going to just take you through the store really quickly and show you some of the things that are there. And I was pleasantly surprised. So, and the prices are very good. $1, $2, $3, $4 for each item. But I was pleasantly surprised. So stay to the end and I'll show you what I got and how I'm going to style it in my house. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for all my new subscribers and welcome back for my returning subscribers. Is this from Dollar General, $5. This from Dollar General, $1. This mini wreath from Dollar General was $1. This bird cage I've had for a while. I thrifted this from Goodwill. And the little bird I just thrifted the other day. That was $1. I think the tag is still on him. It's really a bird and a bell. That was $1. And this case is a CD case that I've had that I thrifted 2 of these. And I styled one some time ago and I'll insert the video of that. So let's put this area together. And this is in my mud room that I'm going to just stage this in my mud room because I'm thinking of using this area as a mail station. So I'm going to just stage this little country setting for you. Okay, so this is the final reveal of the items that I got from Dollar General. I like how this turned out. Very simple. So I said, this is my mud room. This is a table. that I DIY'd in my mudroom. See the little bird in there. And he's cute. The little bird is so cute. I was looking to use this bird cage for a while. So these are the items from Dollar General. And I was happy to be able to use them. And set up this little farmhouse decorated area in my mudroom on my DIY table, which will be in another video. You may, by the time this comes out, you may have already seen my DIY of this table. So thanks for riding with me, guys, and have an awesome, awesome week. Bye.